Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today I'll show you how to fix stripped screw holes. Are you trying to tighten up some screws into wood and it's just going round and round and round and it won't bite? Well, this is a nice easy fix, and this fix should work on any screw that you're trying to tighten up into wood, whether that's a door hinge or a door handle or even one of these kitchen cabinets. And I'll just demonstrate how this works. So at the moment I've got this screw and I'm screwing it into a hole in the wood. And I'm tightening it up, and the hole is too big or it's just worn out and the screw is just going round and round and it's not biting. Now that is no good if you're using that to hang something on a wooden batten. Now what you can try is you can try a larger threaded screw, but this may not be feasible if you're screwing in a particular cabinet and you've only got certain size screws. So all you need to do is take a box of matches, any matches will do, and then take out one of the matches. And then push it down into the hole as far as it will go. When it reaches the end, then just gently snap it off. That leaves that bit of wood inside that hole. Now take the screw that wasn't biting before, put that in, and I can already feel that it's already starting to bite, even tightening it with my fingers. And then take your screwdriver and start tightening it up. If you find that it's not tightening, you can try putting in another matchstick if the hole is too big. I can already feel that is absolutely solid. If you're still having problems, you can try a matchstick with wood glue as well. I hope that's worked for you, and I tell you what, that definitely deserves a lovely cup of tea. And if you've stuck around this long, it's now time for Lurgs' magic show, the amazing jumping matchstick. I've been dying to show this trick for ages. Used to show this in the pubs back in the day when we all used to smoke. I hope you enjoyed that little magic trick. In the top right, how to defrost your freezer easily in under 15 minutes. In the top left, how to remove mould from silicone without any scrubbing at all. And in the bottom left, how to clean your UPVC guttering so it stays clean.